Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back with another very beautiful, classy, elegant, and creative video of an embroidery design. Now, guys, this video is in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have shared a wide variety of thousands of design ideas that are specifically designed for face masks, or the other term attributed for this is mouth mask. As you know that winter is in its full swing, so because of the winter or the weather conditions, different type of health issues have been reported, and most of the health issues are caused because of the direct contamination of air through the mouth or nose. So I am here with you along with a very beautiful, exquisite, elegant, and stylish collection of hand embroidery designs for masks because I would recommend you to please make a habit of wearing mask while going out. It would keep you safe from different type of weathery flus, influenzas, and different type of anti-smoke, anti-fog allergies. And at the same time, it will also protect you from minor type of seasonal allergies and minor type of respiratory tract issues which are being caused because of the direct extreme cold weather, air contamination, and that is being caused because of direct contact with nose and mouth. So this was, I hope, a good uh, background to the problem which I have shared with you. So most of the people while going out are explicitly uh, careful about their looks while going out. So I am here with you with a wide variety of almost 100 plus creative design ideas of mouth masks. They are very soft, elegant, lightweight, breathable, and entirely made up of organic cotton and organic linen material. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us because on daily basis we try our level best to share creativity and designer style, amazing hand embroidery, hand art, thread work, design ideas with you. So different color based, different style patterns of embroidery of face masks have been shared. The inner of these face masks is lined along with a white fabric because light color fabrics are absolutely favorable. The beauty and creativity of these masks is they are reusable, they are washable, so you can use them as much and as many times which you like. Guys, with your love and support, we can continue to grow. So I would request you to do like my video, to subscribe my channel if you have subscribed, and if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. I would recommend you to subscribe from many other devices and don't forget to leave comments. And if you really like the design ideas, don't forget to press the like button and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. Up till then, take care, be happy, stay positive, spread positivity, and may Allah bless you to achieve your goals.